Screen for the children's play area.
Bonfire procession. Can't see it real well, but it's so awesome. It will end up making its way back. Everyone back home, I wish I were here. Colder than cold, but I wish I were here. Won't be cold for long though once that bonfire comes up. So I'm going to stop for a second until they get it lit.